Understanding Student Power, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and empowering English phrase, student power. This phrase is more than just two words combined. It carries a message of strength, activism, and potential within the student community. So, let's explore what it truly means and how it's used in different contexts. Student power is a phrase that embodies the idea of students collectively using their voice, influence, and actions to bring about change. It's often associated with movements in educational institutions where students seek more control, rights, or reforms. This phrase isn't just about physical strength. It's more about social, moral, and intellectual strength. The term gained popularity during the 1960s and 1970s, especially in the context of university campuses. Students during this era mobilized to demand changes in curriculum, governance, and societal issues, reflecting a broader quest for democratic participation and social justice. Understanding this background helps in grasping the full weight and significance of the term. In modern times, student power is still relevant. It can be seen in various forms like student-led movements, protests, or even in student governance. It symbolizes the capacity of students to affect change in their educational environment and beyond, including issues like climate change, gun control, and educational reforms. Apart from activism, student power can also be used in everyday language to describe situations where students exhibit exceptional abilities or achievements. For example, when a student group successfully organizes an event, someone might say, "That's student power at its best." Student power is a dynamic and inspiring phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. It's about the collective strength and potential of students to make a difference. I hope this video has shed light on this powerful phrase and inspired you to recognize the strength in unity and the potential for change that lies within every student community. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.